Hey folks, Mark Deering here from the Adventure Channel. Thanks for stopping back by. We just got done doing a mechanic night. We threw it out as a Facebook event and had a bunch of people interested, and folks brought their bikes, their bike stands. We sat in the heated garage. We had some mechanics on hand, tons of tools on hand, and just had a good time kind of stripping the bikes down in what we call the off season here, and learned a lot. It was pretty cool. I am by no means an advanced, maybe not even an intermediate mechanic myself, so it was cool to learn. I think even some of the most knowledgeable guys learned something. So I just wanted to kind of show you a little bit about what it was like. You're going to see some video here in a minute. We'll probably do one or two of these every winter while everybody's kind of a little bit in the casual base mile mode. But yeah, we like to put on events, even in the off season. In the on season, we do lots of group rides, Tuesdays and Thursdays. We got a dragon project up north. We do some fat biking up there. But I thought I'd share with you just a little bit of B-roll of our fun night of working on bikes. There's actually nothing wrong with it. Basically, you get a length and a half. Length is right here. It's not set yet.
And that is close enough to be good.
Of the jockey wheel. I put those leaves in there on purpose to show what a bad example it looks like. The hardtail is not this good. Wow, look at that. All right, well there it is. Just wanted to show you a little behind the scenes of the fun we had. Watch for the next one. Maybe you can make it to it. Watch for all kinds of events on our Facebook page, Adventures with REMAX. Subscribe to our channel, make some comments, give us some likes. We are a newer channel looking to grow here, so if you like this content, please give us a thumbs up.